Hello, how are you? And welcome to a Project Live flip through for July 2024. So I'm going to share what I did. Now I liked streamlining it a bit because I used the stories by the month kit, and so there were some things that repeated itself throughout the year, which I really like. And so just going through with the photos, adding in some of the alphas to create titles here, visiting the farm. Again, I feel like this is the explore kit. Oh, but this is the nature kit. Yes. Explore was the previous year, and I really love how these came out and being able to use them for our trip to the farm. And then with the collect kit, popping these in. So this is talking about winter with the temperatures, and polar France is getting into warm milk for breakfast. We call it a baby chino, and he likes having a green smoothie. So this is all fun, and I loved adding in these gold stars as well. So going through these, I got braids done for winter, nice and warm, and seeing what Mr.'s up to at daycare. I loved using these pockets too, so I must have written on this side. And my son saying he wants to exercise with me. I want to exercise with you, Mom, and he still does, which is quite cute. So he's a bit stiff. Yeah, so this is fun. I gave him like little maracas to look like weights, but he was like, no, I want proper weights, not maracas. And he's here dancing or exercising with me, which is nice. I love this with this blue and white and red, and just savoring the season. We went to music class, and then we stopped off at the cafe for lunch, so this was nice. And then we went to see our friend at the cafe the next day. So they play really well together, and then just going in here and enjoying where we are in life right now. He likes doing dinosaur puzzles. We went back to the farm, very interesting to see. These are guinea pigs, and I did some stitching here. We should take my daughter to this farm. We haven't been there this year, so this is really nice. And then we go horse riding as well. So our friends came over to visit, which is nice. Also need to book in and go visit them. And here for the party. Oh, these kids, they've grown up together, which is really, really nice to see. And then this one I did for the food kit last year, and I focused on food from Trinidad, which these are some of my favorite things to make at home, because I remember growing up, and like all my aunties and mommy and everybody would cook for us. All these things are like delicacies that, like the older family mummies would cook for us, but now I have to make them all myself because I'm the mummy now. So it's quite interesting taking charge of those things in the kitchen. So I liked putting this together for Story Play Week food last year, and more please and thank you. I always love more food. And then just writing a bit about what I like to eat as a kid and as a teenager and now. And then creating this one for the classroom as well, quiet. And then creating these for Illustrated Faith last year. So this was fun to bring together And now I use this one for August because it's kind of scented. I really love this. Yeah, and so getting in there with August and winter, I did a little tuck pocket here, which is fun, and I did the same here. And so I did some science experiments and some more tuck pockets. I guess that was a moment. Had lunch with the girlies and going back through. Oh, gonna feed horses carrots. And I love using this frame here and using these for the days of the week as well. Then we went down to, this looks nice. Oh, this was at, I know this is a cafe for lunch. Oh, this is actually the same holiday that was yesterday here. So this is, oh, this is August. So funny. Okay, I'm like, oh, this is, okay, great. So then we went to the beach this week because we were gonna go to the beach yesterday for the same reason, to see some of Aiden's family. Great, and I was very pregnant here, which is cute little tummy. So cute. It's funny looking back at these things. And then we went for a walk on the beach, had Mexican for dinner, and this is a view from our room, and this is my husband and son here playing by the pool. We went to the wildlife sanctuary for, oh, it's a Saturday. Lovely to walk around. It's probably one of the biggest wildlife sanctuaries in this side of the state, and so we love this dinosaur exhibit, which is fun. Of course, I was peeping and taking lots of blown up photos, so this was a fun weekend. And yeah, my son was ill on Monday and he slept all day, so, and then this was us visiting the new house and setting that up while we still lived in the old house. And so then this was about first kicks, because I finally felt first kicks around here, and I wrote a little letter to her on vellum, and I like using these clear stickers. And so, oh, this is, yeah, I love how this turned out. I love this kit so much, all the pinks. And then here, wrapping this up, this one was also for the, I loved using these lengthways and layering them to just write stories about high school and my high school friends. And this was just a synopsis card about high school, and then some of my friends here as well. So that's fun. A stitch card. I really used my sewing machine last year. I need to get back on that. And I created these multimedia, mixed media paper. And so going through, we got some papers from the scrapbook kit in there as well. We got the keys to our new home here, and it was book week, which is also coming up soon. You dress up as your favorite book character. And then this was the end of August. So thank you so much for watching this flip through of July and August in my Project Life album. Next up will be September. So see you for the next video. Bye.